Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this Eyeko London Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara. And I actually redeemed Ipsy points for this, but I'm really excited to try this out. I love trying out mascaras, and especially mascaras that sound as great as this one does and that is as high rated as this one is. It's extremely high rated even on the Ulta website. It retails for $24. It says it has an innovative formula and a guitar-shaped brush to thicken, lengthen, and curl the lashes. The innovative formula features key polymers, waxes, and cellulose powder in a gel finish for buildable color that never runs, smudges, crumbles, or flakes. It says it tubes your lashes with 360-degree coverage, zero waste squeezy tube ensures your mascara never dries up. It's supposed to be waterproof as well, paraben free. So all of that sounds amazing. And I'm very picky with my mascaras, so I'm very curious how this is going to be. I do really like this wand though. Here you can see what that looks like. I like that it has the smaller end for those precise or small areas and small lashes, and the bigger end to get more volume and build it up more. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to one of my eyes, and we can compare the difference. Dexter got his squeaky toy, which you might be able to hear. How this was described as a gel formula, I feel like I noticed that, like when I can feel that with the way that it's brushing through the lashes, it just feels like it's sticking onto the lashes really well. And it looks great, no clumping, coating each lash. And this wand is really easy to use to get every single lash. I feel like it's already looking volumizing and lengthening and really dark black. And I love a mascara that makes a difference right away so that you're not having to sit here and layer and layer and layer for too long. Like that right there looks so good. Wow, it looks like I have so many lashes because every lash is coated. It looks like I have such full, fanned out, dark, long lashes. Oh my gosh, we're off to such a great start. Okay, I'm definitely gonna try layering that up, but for like the first layer, I am really impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the lower lashes. I did get a little bit of mascara on my under eye, but other than that, it's a really good bottom lash line mascara as well. But so now let's try and build up those top lashes. I like that it's like the wand comes out kind of clean, like there's not like a lot of product, like excess product on the wand when you take it out of the packaging. And I like that. I feel like it makes it so that there's no clumping, a nice smooth application onto the lashes. Wow, it looks like it is building up so well. Just looking even darker. The lashes are looking volumized, thicker, but still no clumping at all. The lashes are staying so separated and fanned out. And I do even see some curl happening to the lashes. Like I have pretty straight out lashes, but they are looking a bit more lifted, which I'm really happy to see. I didn't even use a lash curler before applying this. But wow, I really feel like this is the most wispy mascara I've ever seen. Like it looks like I have layers and layers of lashes. Like I'm wearing false lashes, but I'm not. It's just how full it makes them look from basically tubing around every lash hair. So you can see the difference with it versus without it. It makes the lashes look so good, but I also still feel like it's kind of like a natural type of mascara look because it's not super clumpy or like extreme volume because it's more just such full lashes. So this is unique and so impressive. I understand why it's so high rated. I'm so used to seeing more volume though, so I kind of just feel like I want to try and layer it up even more. And it does layer up and the volume does build. So it makes those individual lashes look thicker. And it seems like still, no matter how much I am applying, the lashes are still not clumping and just looking so good. I'm loving this wand. Yeah, I feel like 3 layers gives me the length and volume and color that I'm really looking for in my lashes. Like that is really good. Like that's a dramatic difference in my eyelashes with it versus without it. So amazing. Gonna go ahead and apply it to the other eye. As I'm starting to coat these lashes, it's kind of crazy like seeing how they look when you first start applying the mascara to what they can become. Like it is so impressive what this does to the lashes. And before I add the next coat to this eye, I just want to show you the difference with one coat versus, this is like 2 to 3 coats here, like layered up, and how it really is a noticeable difference. Like it's a very buildable mascara. And as I'm applying this, there is no flaking. I'm not getting any mascara onto my eyelids, so it's such a great wand, such a great formula. And here's my finished mascara look. I just love what a good mascara does to the makeup look, does to your eyes. Like a really good mascara can just be all that you need for your eye makeup. So I know that I am going to be using this a lot. I'm gonna switch this in to my daily mascara rotation. But definitely let me know your thoughts on this in the comments down below. I've tried out a few Eyeko London mascaras and this one might be my favorite, but I would love to hear which ones are your favorites from Eyeko London. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.